You have sent your resume multiple times to human resource professionals and still haven't heard from them? In this training, I'm going to discuss things that you have been missing out on your resume. Each of these strategies are used by students in my paid program daily, which means that these are tried and tested methods which will give you results. Have you ever thought about what would have been missing in your resume when you send it to recruiters? Say yes or no in the comment section below. Your comments are valuable to this community. Before diving in, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to be informed when such awesome videos are published from this channel. Give this video a like if you're excited to know more about resume secrets. Also, follow me on LinkedIn where I share career growth tips regularly. Hello, I am Madhurima, India's first 10x corporate readiness transformer. I have helped over 10,000 professionals skyrocket their career growth. I help corporate professionals go from being undervalued in a routine job and limited growth facing job dissatisfaction to designing a dream career so that they can add value to their organization and multiply their income. Let's start with a fundamental but yet overlooked aspect, proofreading. Your resume is the first impression that you create on a recruiter, so typos or grammatical mistakes can be a deal breaker. Take the time to proofread meticulously. You can even ask a friend for a fresh set of eyes. These are the little things which count. In this example, we can see how proofreading can help us correct spelling errors. We can clearly see that there are a couple of words over here which have been incorrectly spelled. Now imagine if this information was to go to the recruiter. This would have clearly hampered your impression. Now, if you are serious about your career and need help with writing your resume with reference to the header, profile summary, experience, skills, etc., then I share all of this in the Breakthrough Resume course, which is a recorded training. You can take this training at your preferred time and pace. Please access this course from the link given in the description box below. Let's talk the often neglected body of the email. Don't just attach the resume and say, please find my resume attached for the given position. That doesn't make the cut any longer. Take the time and inform the recruiter why you are the correct fit for the role. This is your chance of making a personal connection with the recruiter even before they have seen your resume. Craft a concise yet an impactful message talking about your enthusiasm, your experience, your achievements, and the skills that align with the role. It's like a sneak peek that entices the recruiter to go ahead and download your resume from the email. Here is what you can write on the body of the email when sending out your resume to recruiters. I am excited about mention the job title, position in, mention the name of the company, because add reason as to why you want to join that company. My skills, mention your relevant skills, perfectly align with the job role. My resume attached here will give you more information about my experience and achievements. And you give the next steps. For example, feel free to contact me to set up a meeting. Now, let's shift our focus to the body of the resume. Don't just list your job responsibilities, but showcase your achievements. Numbers speak louder than words. If you are in sales, then give a percentage of the sales revenue that you generated. If you streamline processes, then talk about the time that you have saved. It's all about painting a vivid picture about your impact. Look at this example. Instead of just saying boosted website traffic, we can say boosted website traffic by 50%, resulting in a 30% increase in online sales. Recruiters love seeing tangible results. So instead of just saying improved, say improved by 25% or save the company $10,000 annually. It's all about showing and not just telling. Now let's talk action verbs. The verbs that you choose makes or breaks a resume. Ditch the mundane verbs and opt for action-packed and powerful verbs. Instead of saying helped, say orchestrated. Let's add some vigor to your resume. Here are some wonderful action verbs that you can use on your resume today. Spearheaded, executed, managed, implemented, coordinated, led, developed, enhanced, achieved, streamlined, optimized, etc. Now, if you see, these words not only command attention but gives a sense of authority. The language that you choose on your resume should reflect your personality. The next one is keeping it professional. Use widely accepted fonts which are simple like Times New Roman or Arial. These fonts are not only universally accepted but maintain a clean and professional appearance on your resume. It ensures that your message is conveyed with clarity without much unnecessary distractions. Maintain a minimalistic approach when it comes to graphics and colors. Use as less of graphic as possible. Acceptable colors would be blue, grey, and black. Please don't use red, yellow, green. I have seen many people do that. The next item that comes under professionalism is your email address. Now remember that your email address is your digital business card. Refrain from using funny emails like junglyrahul@gmail.com. Instead of that, your email address should be first and your last name. Preferably, you can add some relevant numbers if you don't have this domain available. An ideal email address would be madhurima.das@gmail.com. If you are serious about your career and are ready to kickstart the job search process, then grab the Breakthrough Resume course, which is linked in the description box below. It's a recorded training that you can take at your preferred time and pace. So far in this video, you have learned what you have been missing on your resume that could stop the recruiter from calling you to set up an interview. Apply these learnings for massive career growth. Subscribe for more such awesome videos in the future. Share this video with a friend who could benefit from it. I wish you all the best for your career and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.